taking me with you? Are you taking me with me, sexy blue? John! What a one, what a one, what a one, what a one, what a one. So you know, so you put the phone on top of where we have a snap. Yeah, but pull up my page so I can see the comment from your thing. Lucina, what's up now? What a one, queen, what a one. Sunshine queen, big up yourself. Charmaine, wagwan. What's going on, Melanie? What a word, what a word, what a word. What's going on, beautiful people? I'm here with Ozzy. We're about to fly out. You know, I come over, come say hi, just look at it. You have to put your big head in there. Come over, put my big head. Ever blessed child, leave the wagwan. Dominique, wagwan, Althea, what's going on? Lucina, what's going on? If no one come in on camera with me, but me ever get him to come in on camera. Yeah, that's it. Me ever get him to come in on camera. Yes, me there, people. There. Oh, no, can guess where me I go? Anybody guess where me I go? Me doing a $50. Anybody guess? So lovely. See that love senior man. Jesus. They want to see. Sharnette, enjoy the same. Thank you, Dominique. Sonia said Jamaican, no. Me not tell you no. When me come show no, anybody get it right, me give you no $50. Laurel guy Gibson wagwan, Lucina. That's my big elder husband. Me love him, Edison. Guy full up of brains. Let me tell you, full of tough crackers, full up of brains. Yeah. That's why I love your head kind of full of our brains.
Your brains, yeah? That's true.
Yeah. Well, that's true. You're so conceited. Yeah. In live on the damn stock market. You know, so I'm going to start. I want you to teach me about it.
Stock market?
Yeah. You can live on everywhere you go. Somebody said Dubai. No, I'm going to Dubai already. Well, yeah. I'm not Dubai. I feel my man. What you say? I feel my man. You feel my man? Oh, no funny, you see? Oh, no funny. Wendy Ann, what a one. Good evening, chocolate, looking gorgeous. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm comfortable. I have to fly comfortable. Yeah. No, I have to comfortable. I have to be comfortable. So, but now I'm going to tell you no one on the right. Vanilla supposed to depart here. To see who first guess the location. I'm going to give you no clues. When time I come back live, I'm going to give you no clues. If nobody not get it by time I reach, I give you no clues. I'm not going to be meeting. You both enjoy, have a safe ride. Thank you, Sharnette. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I will come back and give you no clues. I'm so excited, guys, about the barrels. I can't wait for when I get back and for us to continue and play the games. For someone to win. I am so excited. But you know what, guys? You at the airport? Yeah, I'm at the airport. My flight doesn't leave until 7:30. So we're here early. Yeah, and I'm just chilling. Thank you, Kim. Yes, Audrey, I'm at the airport. If me turn the camera on, I'll probably get a clue, but we're not ready to give no clue yet. Yeah. But anybody, my husband might throw in. You ever throw in something for somebody who get it?
Probably.
Probably. How much I got throw on? Probably 50. In tight, you know. Yeah, him will spend on people who are in love, but him I saw him and them lack. He will spend on, yes, he will spend any amount of money on me. But everybody's entitled, true.
Mother said my born in there and throw
Padlock. He said mother said him born with him with him
tight,
fist.
like we can have fist.
But every baby born with their hand tight.
I want it tight then.
Your only tight
man,
padlock did the palm.
Yeah, that person. Yeah, we never see one look.
I'm not joking, man. Padlock did the palm. Thank you, Laura. Thank you. Thank you, Chevy. So, I'm not going to tell you guys yet. I'm not going to tell you. So, I'll see who get it right. Nobody has gotten it right yet. Yeah, nobody else has gotten it right yet. But me can't wait to come back and do the barrels. It's so much fun. I'm going to do it every year. And whomever win the barrel, my clothing barrel, let me know if you want some of the hangers, because I'm stuck with a whole bunch of hangers now. I'm going to buy for display the clothes them. I'm stuck with a whole heap of them. So let me know if you don't want me to show it in the barrel, whomever the winner is, show some. Nobody not get it yet. Nobody not get it yet. Good evening, Lorraine. Marlene Brown. Nobody not get it yet. I'm husband willing for open for me padlock use the key for opening and for him put money penny for whomever get it. Paris. Somebody said no, been to Paris already. No, nobody not get it yet. Nobody not get it yet. Canada. Me got award. Me got award from no. Canada. Me not give no clue yet. Anybody not, me will come back, and if nobody not get it, me give them a clue. Failing. How you doing? Mexico. Me tired for that Mexico. We were just talking about that. So we've been to Mexico so many damn times. I don't want to see it. Yeah, somebody said Ghana. If I not see Mexico for another 100 years, me good. Me got almost every part in Mexico. That's the question. Whomever can guess where we're going, I'm gonna give them $50, and my husband is gonna add money to it. And if we not anybody, if we not get it, still don't get it.
India.
I bust them pretty little brain. India, no.
If somebody get the answer, come back.
If somebody get him in answer, not me just I'll come back and tell them I'm the winner. Yeah. Nobody not get it yet. Damn funny, nobody not get it. So everybody good? How y'all doing? Good? I hope you guys are doing fabulous. No, not get it yet. Oh no, soon we know, man. Then keep saying Dubai. So them names say we're Dubai trip. We didn't post to Dubai when we go to Dubai. Yeah, we did. We post Dubai. And Paris. We did post Paris. just coming, hold on. I'm just coming, hold on. Come on, come at the airport. Come at the airport outside. Can I put up the foot for you? Thank you. Costa Rica. We're going to Costa Rica. When did we went to Costa Rica? Last year. Then I get the album now. Then I bust them pretty little brain. Where you survive? Timbuktu. I love the one there. Timbuktu. Is there a place called Timbuktu?
I don't know.
Oh. What did I get here? I get here. They don't get it. And him over here, I have a kick out of it. I watch on his phone, I guess.
What is your Uncle Mike? What's Miller?
No. Paris. No, not Paris. Been to Paris already. Go look at the big old rusty Eiffel Tower. Need to paint. Valerie Park one. Somebody is close. Somebody say Australia. Not. Oh, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Teaching you my cooking skill. Save me a pudding, please, till I come back. Auntie, please. Me not gonna have no bun and cheese for Easter. When I go then don't have no bun and cheese. So can you save me? I'm not like bun and cheese. So auntie, can you save me one pudding, please? Please. Vanilla. Me not say vanilla per year. I want vanilla get me a pudding from auntie. When I own no vanilla number, call her and tell her if I put it down till I come back. No, I'm just reading the comment. Why you knocking out? They're not getting it. They didn't get it. I almost gave it away. Hi Gloria, what's up? Then I get y'all know. Somebody said Jerusalem.
Yeah, but I said.
Today's your birthday, Marlene Brown. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. But I don't think auntie hear me. See auntie there? Auntie, you coming for no auntie, me not come for it. But me want it for when me come back. What she say? Oh, but we want to spend somebody, you see? Somebody, Jesus Christ. Should we, that qualify? Probably, right? But yes, somebody get it, you know. Who first get it? Who get it? Go back and tell me who get it. Somebody got it. Somebody got it. Jesus Christ. Somebody got it. Micah try find out. Yeah, you can't scroll down. Jesus. I'm gonna look and see who first put it pan here. But anybody, when we reach, we're gonna tell you who. But somebody got it. Somebody got it. Somebody got it. May I go back and look deeper. Somebody got it. Somebody got the specific location, but somebody got the country. Yeah. Congratulations to the first person we say Indonesia. Yes, we're going to Bali. Oh man. Somebody got it. We have to go back to the comment and see who first comment Indonesia. Congratulations. Congratulations. Yes, Indonesia, Bali. Yeah. Give me a hot man. I need to turn up the AC. What the hell are we doing?
You can't find about who say first.
Yeah, man, I can't find about. Want me? Go back in my comment. I can see who first comment. Indonesia. It's over, guys. Someone got it. It's Bali. Somebody said Indonesia. Yeah, it is. Congratulations. I'm gonna look for the person who first said it. I think it's probably like Chrissy Dunn, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to go back and see the first person that commented Indonesia. Yeah. Yes, guys, we're going to Bali. I hope it's me. I said Indonesia. Yeah, people, I started seeing Indonesia. Diana, she said, enjoy yourself, and Uncle Mike. Come over and say hi. Hi, Diana.
Hey, Diana.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I'll come live when I go there and announce who the winner is for sure. All right. When I get there. She for true, right? May go back to make sure. Not that when I believe you're not president, but I just wanna, make sure. So when I go back, there goes damn vanilla. I said it first, but chocolate. Where you come from here for? Yeah, she president. You say auntie did that on ya. Auntie said. That's why I'm excited over auntie when she come visit my family. Yeah, who will stop me? I love auntie. Who will stop me from loving her? Nobody. And where? I'm going to say Michael Matey Panya. When Michael Matey there, Majesty. Now my Matey, please say your Matey. People funny, huh? Vanilla, where you start me for? Miss Makita. Patricia, what go on? What language they speak? What language do they speak in Indonesia?
I don't know.
I have no clue. I guess when I go there, I will find out. But I know so they speak English there too. A lot of English speaking people there too. Because we were reading up on that.
Yeah.
You love your auntie too? Me too. She's such a sweet lady. So vibey. Yeah? Yeah man, so vibey. Nice in a real life, yeah? And so is Miss Lothian. Sweet lady. In a real life, yeah? Rose Kitchen and Vlog. How you doing? This is another beautiful queen. Rose Kitchen and Vlog. So down to earth and nice. Miss Cece, big up yourself. Yeah man, Rose Kitchen and Vlog, she full of vibes. So you see people, she can dance, you see? She don't sit down, when she come to party. She a party, yeah? She a party. Chocolate, you're looking so nice. Give Uncle Mike a kiss to me. Somebody want me to give a kiss to them. Come over here for you. Come for the sugar. Come for the sugar. Patricia say if you come, if you give a kiss here. Come.
Later on. Tell Patricia later on.
Later on? And more than kiss you, I want. You hear what I'm saying? No, sir.
Say it back.
Wait there. It's Rose Kitchen and Vlogs. Yes, man, I'm out with me. Honey bunny. Him all up in my comments, I read no comments.
They're probably the same thing.
And what about people say, me can't tell who first. Me can't tell who first. Once me going through the chocolate and vanilla, yeah, me
Attention on the gate, Qatar Airways is paging Nilam Kumar Patel. Nilam Kumar Patel, please proceed to gate as
Christine,
per
pick up
services
yourself.
immediately.
Oh, God bless, no man curse. I'm me for tell you, you hear? Mishka, I'm me for tell you. That's why you can't live in and worry about people. When you know you got God, everything else is irrelevant. Yeah. Thank you, Bam Bam Jamaica, another beautiful queen I passed through platform. Hold a big up your nice clean self. If God is for you, who can be against you? No one. Absolutely no one. I believe that with all of my heart. Yeah. Kiss him cause I feel your man, you know, borrow. Never, never, baby. Been with Mike since I was almost 14. I was about to become turn 14. We were dating, boyfriend and girlfriend. Yeah. Okay. And we've been together since. Yeah, the only man I know, and I'm proud to say it. Because if there's any better, I don't want to know. Yes. Married at 18. Never forced me into anything. Waited for me. Yes. So I know what I have. So nobody needs to tell me. I know what I have. And you see, when you know, ain't nothing better than what you know. So yes, guys, I'm gonna make my way to the bathroom, grab a water, and just chit chat with Mike until we're ready to board. I just wanted to come on here and say hello to you guys. Oh, that's great. Oh, you have a mic too? Yeah. Mics are great, huh? Bob. Yes, it's the only man that I know. Yeah. And I'm proud to say that, you know. And I'm never curious. He don't allow me to get curious. To think about what it would be like to be with somebody other than him. It does give me that opportunity to think, to have them thoughts. Because him fun, if you want fun, him a fun. Seriousness, business, a him. Pushing me, supporting me, that's him. Yeah. Marriage perfect. There's no such thing as a perfect marriage because we don't think the same way. And get on nerve, yes, that happens. Funny nerve, yes. But nothing, yeah, nothing to the extent of quitting. No, never that. But I love you guys. Now telling them about my love story one next time. You hear? The American passport. The famous passport. Love you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your evening. Come back on and announce the winner. Alright? Love you guys. I can't wait for come back. Continue with the giveaway. And I'm planning on doing that every year. And I can't wait. Yeah? If God before you, who can be against you? Absolutely no one. Be safe, guys. Thank you all for all the wishes and safe journey and prayers, all right? Yes. Big up on us. Thank you, Vanilla. Talk to you soon, all right, Vanilla? Talk to you soon. The blue famous fuck. Whatever here. I'm reading your comments. Thank you guys so very much. God bless each and every one of you, alright? Later. Bye.